What's good, YouTube? Let me make sure I'm looking all right. All right, bet. So, in this video, we're going to talk about how LT Trading Poppy can 10x the savings, the interest that a bank gives you to save your money. So, in this video, I'm going to make my argument that for your investable assets, you shouldn't have a savings account. You should transfer that into a brokerage account and you should invest 30% of that to get a crazy return. So I'm gonna screen share and then a little bit about me. I was on the trade desk at Wells Fargo. I worked for a few years in the Charlotte office. The headquarters is in St. Louis, Missouri, but I worked in the Charlotte office. So if anybody has a brokerage account, self-directed, I was in the call center placing trades for people who wanted somebody to trade their mutual funds, CD bonds, stocks, ETFs, and options. And they didn't have futures there, so I did that for a number of years. So I had a Series 7. So, but now I just trade on my own and whatnot. So I like to share the knowledge and the wisdom to help people profit themselves. So this is for beginners, intermediaries, and people that's looking to kind of get some strategies on how to make fairly simple money in the stock market. So I'm going to screen share and pull up some interest rates that the current banks are giving for savings accounts. Okay, so here we go. Here, I just Googled savings accounts, um, interest rates. So this website is by Lending Tree. So this is 2020. This is a high interest savings account. So Goldman is saying that they're giving 0.50 APY. Um, Also, Heritage Bank is saying they're giving 0.26 on balances $10,000 and up. So for the people who have at least $2,000, you guys can open a brokerage account. I trade off of Tasty Trade, so I'm gonna give you a strategy on how you can supersede and 10x what a bank would give you. So here is Opal. Let me log back in to my brokerage account. Just bear with me. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Let me share the screen again. So I'm in the Tastyworks platform. So I just have uh Chipotle up. So this is a common stock that people go to. I love Chipotle, whether it's the bowl or the burrito. So it's kind of fun to like trade companies that you kind of go to, and then kind of you can use Chipotle to make money to reduce the cost of your eating out habit, and then also kind of boost your interest rate on money that you're looking to save and invest. So I like to do a selling put, a vertical put spread to sell a put spread in Chipotle. I like to go out 45 days. From a technical standpoint, that's when theta decay is optimal. But let's see here. And I also like to go out one standard deviation to give you like around a 70, let's say 68% chance of making money on your interest rate. So let's just say I usually will keep this trade on for around 20 days. So when we looked at the savings yield, we were seeing 0.25 and stuff like that. But if we pull up the calculator here, we're risking 375 to make 125. So we'll pull up that trade. And obviously, I'm filming this video at 6 o'clock Central Time. So the stock market is closed. So if you were to place this trade, and I'm in the Tastyworks platform, you would get an initial credit of 100. And $22 and you will be risking 377. So let's and I like to manage this position at 50%. So this initial trade has a 70% probability. And if you manage at 50% to make the $60, you have an 80% chance of doing it. So obviously I'm doing high probabilistic trades and we're going to show how you can 10x the interest rate. So I'm not even going to do the math on the 0.0025 that the bank is going to give you, but as you can see here, I have it marked up for you. The $60 divided by, I just rounded up to 400, is 15%. And this is going to be for 20 days. So like if you was just to do one of these trades per year, you can make 15% on the money that you would have had in a savings account. So with this being said, this is why I recommend investing in options if you're going to day trade. So this video wasn't clickbait. I actually did talk about how to make $60 and how to 10x the interest you would have gotten if this money would have been sitting in a savings account. So if you have $2,000 and you want to invest it a little bit, you can do a pretty much conservative strategy. I would feel like having a success rate of around 70-80% is really great. So if you want to learn more about options, I'm going to have a master class to talk about options and futures and how to do other strategies like this. And but if you want something for free, you can click the link, and I have the five most liquid stocks and with the strategies that I use. And I pretty much use like this strategy for most of what I do. Sometimes I do iron condors as well, and you can click out the gold video that I posted, and I did like a option strategy with that where I talked about how to make $1,000 trading gold. But click the link below to get the free cheat sheet on how to profit with five liquid stocks and the strategies that kind of go with that. And if you're interested in the master class, is going to be coming out in a week. The price is going to be below $300, and it's going to have videos like this with examples so you can watch this video and trade at the same time and whatnot. And obviously you guys, I'll answer questions and everything like that, but obviously the goal is to clear out all of the noise to make trading simple and to have people place profitable trades when you place your first couple trades, or really when you place your first trade is to see profits. Then you can kind of know without a doubt, like, I make money doing this. It's kind of like if you play basketball and when you shoot it or do layups, you actually make the shot. You're going to want to keep playing. So if you actually make money while you're investing in trading, you're going to want to keep doing it. So over and out, LT Trading Poppy.